Okay, hello YouTube. It's your boy Kato and your Uncle Josh here, and we are
Touch to select an app from the list.
not talking to you, Google. We are we're doing a quick review. I got this package in the mail. This is not a sponsored video. I should say that up front. This is not. Okay, we're mirrored, but it says Nourished. Okay, so I saw an ad on Instagram for a vitamin that you could customize yourself, and you can choose like what you kind of want to target as far as like your nutrition goes or your vitamins. So here are the selling points. Plastic free. I don't know what that means. I assume there wouldn't be plastic in any vitamins. Maybe they're talking about the packaging. Sugar free, that's good. Vegan, it doesn't really matter to me personally. But I saw the ad. I was like, this looks really cool. Like 3D printed stack of nutrition vitamins and minerals. I was in. So I ordered it. It came within I think 4 days or so. And we're here to unbox it. At the Kato licks of approval. Oh, let's go ahead. It's pretty cool. Okay, welcome to the future. I'll tell you what I put in my little custom build. Hold on. Let's read the note. Okay, I kind of messed it up. Hello, Josh. Thank you for choosing to get nourished. Below, you will find information on your nourishments. We hope you enjoy. Best regards, the Nourished team. So, and it shows my stack. It shows what I chose in the checkout process, which is super cool. And then I'm gonna open one of these, and we're gonna taste it and see if it's good or not. So, okay, so when you order, they give you a little questionnaire, like what kind of things are important to you in a vitamin, and what are your goals, how active are you, etc., etc. So here's the rundown of, actually we can go through that. We can go through that together. But here's the rundown of what I chose. And I'm not going to read the entire description because there's a lot of text here. I'm not going to do that. Reversatrol. Okay. Beta glucan. I'm not pronouncing these right. Careflow mango powder. Maca powder. Vitamin A, tart cherry, and silica. So, and then I'll tell you the things that I chose. Okay, so I said I was mildly active because I do a little bit of exercise. I play badminton twice a week, and then I walk up and down stairs every day, in the house and at work. And then I told them that I sit in a chair in front of a computer screen like 8+ hours a day. And I said I wanted to focus on eye health, I think I said, and anti-aging. So this is what came back from that. And here's my, I think, 30 days of life. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Well, there's 28 here, but that's pretty much a month. Oh snap! This is awesome. So each little packet says nourished. It's not gonna be for you. I'll give you your own treat, buddy. So it says nourished, and it says stacked for Josh. Enjoy by 3/1/20. It feels like a gummy. So let's go ahead and open this. Doesn't smell good. Okay, so here's my stack, as they say. See that? Might be a little hard to see, but I'm supposed to take one of these a day, I assume. Actually, where's the instructions? That's a safe assumption, right? One a day. I want to give you an idea of the smell. You know those gummies that are Coca-Cola flavored? It smells like that. And I don't like that smell. I don't know if you can tell by my face, but it's not the best tasting. It's not, the aftertaste is actually not bad. It's pretty good. But yeah. It tastes like different gummies mushed together. Whatever the sugar they coat it with helps. But I'll tell you what, other than the novelty and how cool it is that these are 3D printed vitamins, I'm not looking forward to taking them every day based on the taste. Having a hard time getting it down. But I mean, once you get it down, the aftertaste, what's left in your mouth is good. It's like a sour, tart taste. I mean, not bad. It's so cool. What got me was that it's 3D printed and you customize yours, and it's different from like other people's. Like if Kato was to order his own box, it would have a different stack of things that he values. Like value getting really hyper and getting zoomies and running around all over the place. He sleeps a lot. I don't know if that's something they would take into consideration. Let's get Kato a treat because he just saw me put what he thinks is a treat into my mouth. Hey, down. Good boy. I'll look up my YouTube videos over here. You feel better. That's for you. That's a good dental bite. Okay, closing thoughts. I mean, we'll do another video after maybe the 30 days and see like how am I feeling? Am I feeling like a healthy guy? Is anything going to change at all? And I'll report back. But how much was it? How much was it for this? You know what? I'll have to whip out the phone. Okay, here we go. Oh, okay, it's a subscription. So I ordered a subscription. This one's not the receipt. Here it is. Okay. This was £40 for the 28. And I think that was with a £20 discount code. Just okay. So that's, what is that? 2+ pounds per day of vitamins. It's up to you. If you're into this and you think it works, I don't think it's worth the price, honestly, based on the taste. I can find all of these ingredients in other supplements for way cheaper. But it's so cool. They're 3D printed, they're customized. That's the draw, and that's what got me. And I'm gonna cancel the subscription. I think. That's just my honest opinion. That's all I wanted to do. This is not a sponsored video. I was just unboxing this. It got here, and I had to open it, and I was excited about it. Good advertising. I'll give them that. The advertising and the checkout process and the whole like questionnaire thing was really good. I felt confident about the purchase at time of purchase. So if you want to give it a shot, give it a shot. Go to Nourished. Search Nourished Stack on Google, because I don't know the website actually. Get-nourished.com if you want to. Actually, I don't know if this is available outside of the UK, so if you're outside of the UK, you might not be able to get this. Okay, well, that's it. Josh and Kato unboxing / half review. I feel like I should do another video to close this out when I'm done with this box. But until then, we'll see you later. If this video deserved a like, give it a like. If not, not. We don't do this all the time, so I'm not gonna say, hey, if you want more of this, to subscribe. If you think you would want to see more videos of us in random videos, then subscribe. Okay, bye.